So here is something that everybody needs to have if you have a pickup truck. It's called the BedBuddi.
Right here, look at this. It's telescopic. It opens up to 5 feet. So we just boom. There's one, right? Two, and wait, there's more. There's more right there. Look at that. Let me lock this down. And now we've got like full reach of the bed.
It's lightweight. It's got the little hook on the end and allows you to get your gear and anything else out of the back of your bed of your truck. But we haven't even reached the limits of what this can pull. I've seen guys pulling over 240 pounds with this thing. Another cool thing, too, let's say you've got something magnetic, a small part like a bolt or a set of keys, and you drop it in the back of your bed of your truck. You're not going to hop in there to get it, but if you don't, it's going to bang around and fly around in the bed when you're going down the road. You drop the magnet on it, and boom, let's see if you can get it.
Looks kind of like you at the craps table
Go
in Vegas.
fishing.
When we go to SEMA, look at it. What do you, can I get it? Look at
Right?
that. Boom. That's two things. 2 times I did not have to jump up in the truck.
You know, and the thing is, it also is conveniently stored away because those magnets will go right up alongside the inside of the bed of your truck. It's not going to go anywhere. And if you were to have one of those trucks that's got an aluminum bed, well, they've got this little mounting bracket you're going to screw into the side. And watch this. When you stick it onto the mounting bracket, it's not going anywhere.
No, it's
not. So you don't have to worry about chasing that around the bed of your truck, but you also have easy access to it as well.